Today, I'm going to break the law of attraction down into the simplest terms. I mean, what else do you expect from me? So let's talk about this. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So I'm a law of attraction coach, and today I'm going to explain the law of attraction in the simplest terms. So if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe. Hit the bell icon below because I do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, each one of them designed to help you create something wonderful in your life. And we now also offer email coaching. The link is in the description below. So start creating something wonderful in your life. Anyways, okay, so let's talk about the law of attraction. And I'm going to explain it in the simplest terms. So the law of attraction is basically just thinking positive, having confidence in yourself, and seeing the good in other people. That's it. That is all it is. Okay? Because our thoughts create. That's it. Thinking positive. That's what the law of attraction is. What we think, we create. Okay? So as long as you're thinking positive, you're having confidence in yourself, and you're seeing the good in other people, then you know what? You're doing it right, okay? And again, you could never think positive too much. There is no such thing as having too many positive thoughts, okay? The more positive thoughts you have, the better your life is going to be. Trust me, okay? So let's break this down a little bit, right? So, well, let's take a look and examine our life, okay? So one really common one, okay, on the being confident in ourselves is I'm not good enough. Okay, so how we would change that to be confident in ourselves is I am good enough. I feel confident. I am amazing. Okay, so let's relate that to an SP situation. How would you have confidence in yourself with your thinking with your SP? Of course, he wants to be with me. Of course, she wants to be with me. Of course, Jerry loves me and wants to be in a relationship with me, right? Right. The other thing is like, so seeing the good in others, right? So again, let's relate this to an SP situation. So let's say that you're in a friends with benefit situation. How would you change that around? Well, I mean, you're thinking, okay, your thoughts are creating that, Jerry here only wants friends with benefits and he doesn't want a relationship. Well, is that thinking positive? No. Is that seeing the good in Jerry? Absolutely not. Jerry's just using me. Okay, well, let's change that around. You know what? Jerry does want to have a relationship with me. Jerry wants to marry me. Jerry loves me. Okay, of course Jerry wants to grow old with me and spend his whole entire life with me, hugging and cuddling and kissing me, right? Okay, so that's seeing the good in other people and also having confidence in yourself because remember, you are good enough. Okay, and of course they want a relationship with you. I mean, really, that's what the basis of the law of attraction is our thoughts create, right? And thinking positive. Of course it's going to work out. Of course everything's okay. Of course my thoughts create, okay? So, that's really what it comes down to. The law of attraction is just basically thinking positive. And that's the main point of it, right? Thinking positive and focusing your thoughts on what you want rather than what you don't want, right? And it really comes down to just how we word things, really. When I think about it, I could say, you know what? I wish that Jerry would love me. Why doesn't Jerry love me? I mean, that statement is coming from the desire to have Jerry love me. Yet the only problem is the way I'm wording it. I'm wording it like I don't have it. But all I need to do is change around the words and say, I intend for Jerry to love me, or Jerry does love me. And that automatically now shifts in the energy, and now I'm creating and I'm thinking positive. Of course Jerry loves me, right? Because me saying, why doesn't Jerry love me? I want him to love me. Why doesn't he love me? That's still coming from the desire to be loved. It's just the way that we're wording it is that we don't have it, when all we need to do is to change around the configuration and change our words into I intend for Jerry to love me. Of course, Jerry loves me. Okay. So take a look at your situations, no matter what situation you're trying to create. Are you creating a business? Ask yourself, am I thinking positive about my business? Do I have confidence in myself and my service or product? And am I seeing the good in other people that they are going to appreciate what I have? Okay. So it's really just about taking those 3 points and making sure all your thoughts are good about yourself and that you're seeing the good in others, and that you're always thinking positive about what's going on in your life. Say somebody gets upset, and you have a fight with somebody. I mean, rather than dwelling that they don't like you and they're never going to forgive you and you've screwed up, see the good in them. Of course they're going to forgive me. Of course they're going to get over this. It's going to work out. Everybody's understanding and everybody's forgiving, right? That's thinking positive and seeing the good in others. So yeah, that's my video for today. So as long as you have confidence in yourself, you're thinking positive, and you see the good in others, you're really honestly going to be an unstoppable creator. Anyways, thank you guys so much for sharing, subscribing, liking, commenting, and definitely, you know what? Check out the Facebook group, Create Your Future with Amanda, Law of Attraction Hacks, because there's a bunch of success stories there. And yeah, to make you feel good, inspire you, and uplift you, because you know what? That's what life's about, feeling good. Until the next video, bye-bye.